fine. How nice this is. There are so many beautiful fishes. Yes, of course, Jan. But I have a problem. Why did you say fishes? That should be fish. Because there are many kinds. Oh, I understand.
What are these floating aquatic plants?
I don't know what they are called in English.
I think they've been hungry.
Yes, they must be given something.
Hi everyone, I am Shadi Premchandra, retired army officer. Today I thought to make a video like this to bring you an important message regarding English language. Because today we can't keep away from this language at all. We know nowadays how people are struggling to learn this language. Some people give up learning this language because of that effort. Sometimes they may not be able to find out a good English teacher. I also had a lot of problems then with this language. Although I spoke in English, I made so many grammatical mistakes. To overcome from this grammatical mistake, I needed to find out a good English teacher with proper instructions. If you join Saman Yapa classes, you can find all these opportunities.
Through Mr. Saman Yapa's YouTube channel, coincidentally, I got a chance to view Major Premchandra's speech. After seeing it, it made me to share some words about Mr. Saman Yapa. I'm a teacher. Throughout my life, I participated in numerous English courses. Eventually, I was able to enhance my skills to this level with Mr. Yapa's guidance. The way of his teaching, articulate expression, pronunciation, dedication, motivation, and also his humbleness impressed me a lot. I can highly recommend him as one of the best teachers. Mr. Yapa received his education in Colombo and currently resides in Anuradhapura. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
ඔයාට මගේ ඔන්ලයින් ක්ලාසස් ෆිසිකල් ක්ලාසස් ඒ වගේම රෙසිඩෙන්ෂල් ක්ලාසස් වලට සම්බන්ධ වෙන්න පුළුවන්.